Hi, my name's Ness and I'm from Toowoomba, Queensland. I'm currently doing the Diploma of Paramedicine and I've been studying for about 12 months now. I'm really excited about the week coming up, a little bit nervous about some elements, but I'm just ready to take on the challenge. So yeah, bring it on. Should be a good week. Just putting all the theory into practical elements and starting my new career. Always had an interest in first aid when doing my first aid and CPR courses, and that's driven me to want to make a change to someone else's life and just be out there on the field, in the field, helping people get better and where we can.